Start.
Hey,
Prime Minister's name.
Prime Minister's name. Mr. Narendra Modi.
President of India.
Draupadi Murmu.
Who invented zero?
Hey? Harry.
In which state do you live?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Which animal cannot walk backward?
Kangaroo.
Which insect have 12 eyes?
Caterpillar.
Which is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
Next question. Which animal has longest neck?
Giraffe.
A banana is a berry, not a fruit.
Berry.
Okay. Which animal cannot swim?
Giraffe.
Which animal do not have lungs?
Earthworm.
Which flowers smell keep wax away?
Looks away. Marigold.
Good, very good. Which is the largest sea animal? Largest animal क्या है बताओ? Blue.
Blue whale.
Okay. Is the shape of rainbow?
Rainbow. Circle.
Okay. Which is the tallest building in the world?
Building beautiful. Burj Khalifa.
What is the color of the blood of grasshopper?
Grasshopper. Green.
Green. Which amphibian drinks water through the skin?
Frog.
For good. Which reptile can live more than 100 years?
Turtle.
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 From which beans a chocolate is made?
Cocoa beans.
Cocoa beans. Who brings milk for you?
Milkman.
Who mends your shoes?
Cobbler.
Who sell the books?
Bookseller.
Who cooks food for you?
Mother. Father.
Yes. Who makes the furniture?
Carpenter.
Yes. Who teaches you in the school? Teacher. Who washes your clothes?
Washerman.
Who treats the sick?
Doctor.
Okay. How many seasons are there in your country?
4.
4. Okay. What's your name?
Vihan.
Vihan. And in which class do you read?
I study in class university.
Yes, good.